Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel and I'm so excited about this. I love the brand NYX and I've been trying out products from my recent Ulta Beauty Break gift with purchase, and this was a product I got in that. So that was a really great free gift with purchase. And this is full size, retails for $6, which is such a great price point in my opinion. And I love trying out brow products. I wear an eyebrow gel every day. I feel like I need it for my long, unruly brow hairs. So I'm gonna be testing this out on its own to see how it really looks clear on natural brows and on top of my go-to brow pencil, which is the one I have here. Lately, I've been using the Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Brow Pencil. It's not even lately I've been using it. I've been using that for months now. I love it. So the NYX Professional Makeup Control Freak Eyebrow Gel is a clear formula that has a unique non-sticky formula that's comfortable to wear all day to seal the deal and hold your eyebrows in place. It's vegan and cruelty free. So first I am going to fill in one of my brows with my brow pencil here to see how it looks with a brow pencil. All right, so my one brow is filled in. Oh, what a difference that makes. But so now let's see what the applicator is going to look like on this. Oh my gosh, that is so much bigger than I was expecting. It basically looks like a mascara wand. Typically, brow gels have very tiny wands, and that's what I prefer. But let's see how this does. Actually, before I apply it into my brow with the product, let's apply it fresh and clean to my fresh and clean brow. And I mean, it works using this large wand to brush through the brows, but I feel like it's a little bit messy. But since this is a completely clear formula, that's fine. But it seems good. Like it seemed like it got my entire brow, all the brow hairs got gelled in place. Let's go ahead and see how it looks on the brow with the pencil, because we want to see, you know, if it smudges the pencil, if it alters how my pencil looks, then it's not going to be a good product for me. But actually this looks like a great product. I feel like it kind of enhances the brow hairs, just makes them stand out a little bit more, which is great for giving that more natural look. See, I still brush my brows all the way over to the side. I just can't really get with that feathered brow look, but you know, for the fun of it, let's try. I don't know, I just can't. I feel like it looks too much for me right now. I still like a slicked over brow, but my brow hairs are so long that I feel like they look extremely feathered if I brush them up. But if you like the feathered look, you can definitely achieve it with this brow gel. But I like a more uniform, brushed over look for the brow hairs, and I think this looks so good. And I was just really playing around and brushing my brow hairs a lot, and there was no flaking happening. I'm really liking the look of this. My favorite clear brow gel is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I love that. But to me, this is actually a really great dupe, super inexpensive replacement for that, because it's still like emphasizing the brow hairs, looking super natural, undetectable. But let's see how, yes, it has really good hold, but it doesn't feel crusty in the brow. Oh my gosh. Yay, this is exactly what I look for. Let's try the brow. Oh my gosh, with the pencil, perfect. No transferring of any product. The brow hairs are staying perfectly in place. Like, I can give you a nice zoomed in view of that brow. I think it looks so good. And I am very picky about how my brows look, but I love this. I think I may have just proven to myself that I don't need to spend a lot of money on a clear brow gel for it to be awesome, because this is everything I look for. Great hold, undetectable, like no crustiness in the brow, doesn't look jelly, clumpy at all, yet it's still made my brow look even more natural by emphasizing the hairs, just kind of making it look like I have more brow hairs by emphasizing the brow hairs that I do have here. So I love this. So let me know if you've tried this out, or if you have any other favorite clear brow gels. I'd love to hear about them in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.